Hello guys, and welcome to the second part of the video about my new PC. Today we're gonna be upgrading my system and we're gonna install this cool RGB CPU cooler from Cooler Master on my AMD CPU. And by the way, if you haven't seen the first part of this video where I built my first PC ever, check out the video description, you'll find it there. And now it's time to start building. This is all what we'll need for our CPU cooler installation. CPU cooler itself, thermal paste, cleanser, and a screwdriver. And of course, a PC. I'm gonna open the box with the cooler. I've already opened it, by the way, but it doesn't really matter because I already forgot what was inside. So here we have a cooler, and some wires and screws. No, there are no wires. Oh, there are some. I'm gonna follow a video explanation of how to install the CPU cooler because I'm not an expert, as you might know. But yeah, it's not a tutorial of how to install a cooler, but rather sharing my experience with you. I've opened the box with the screws and wires, and look what I found. Why is there dirt inside of this bag? This is very weird. I don't really like it. By the way, my screwdriver has a magnetic tip. Turns out that I have some thermal paste in the package, but it won't be redundant to have some more. So I found all the parts that I'll need for AMD installation. This is C, D, E, F, H, M. So we have C, we have D, we have E, F, H, M, F, H, M, F, H, M, and also I think we'll need these guys as well. That's what the guy from the video said, but I'm not sure yet. I'll check it with the instruction afterwards. I connected both of these sticks to my CPU cooler, but I think I'll tighten them up a little bit with this small screwdriver, since I have it already, and yeah, let's just make use of it. I can barely feel my nail because it was so hard to get this metal and plastics thing inside of this case. How it is even called, I have no idea, but managed to do that. Or did I? Oh my god, I didn't. Shit. Well, it turns out I didn't. They should be very far from each other, and this one doesn't follow this pattern. Now I need to open it again and put it inside again in the correct position. Here to the right. Oh, wish me luck. It wasn't that hard because I just need to move this a little bit but not completely remove it. But now I feel like I made a mistake. I need to move it back. What the hell? Okay, now it is perfect. I'm proud of my work and I can continue building. It is called backplate or something like that. Now we're gonna open the case again, and also I'll need to remove everything out of the case because like on my motherboard I have so many stuff installed already and it won't let me install the CPU, so I kind of have to do all the work over again, but now I know how to do it. So the graphic card is uninstalled now, and now I'm gonna move the case to the side and uninstall motherboard and uninstall the CPU cooler and the memory. Look how much dust I already have in 2 or 3 weeks of using. This is really weird and concerning for me. Do you have any tips on how to avoid that? Because I think it's way too much for such a short period of time. What do you think? I have no idea, but for me it feels too much. And yeah, all cables are disconnected now. I'm ready to uninstall motherboard. Finally, guys, congratulations to me. Here it is. I successfully removed it. Shit! It wasn't a big success for my phone. At least I didn't break it. Whew. Now I'm gonna move on and put this plate under the motherboard and then connect everything together. Okay, I'm ready for the most hard and also exciting part of applying thermal paste and installing cooler. Typical me. I don't know how much do you need? Oh my god. Okay. Hope it's enough. It's like he has on the video. And now it's time to drop the cooler. First of all, I need to remove this warning. Oh, it's so clean. And now I need to understand which side should I move it. Yeah, this is the side which is the best because I'll be able to read the name. Okay. This is so huge.
and just get them to kind of line up. And all you want to do is grab a long Phillips head screwdriver and tighten them on opposing corners. This might be a little bit tricky. You'll see it's kind of lifting up here. Don't worry about it, guys.
Yes, it is.
All you need to do is just do the opposing corner and you should be good to go. And just rinse and repeat that process until the bolts all stop. The best way to do this is just keep alternating each corner. Once you're done tightening everything up, put the fan back onto the front side of the heatsink, and we're going to plug in the fan so everything works.
Doesn't
Take the
go.
fan connector plug and plug it into an available fan header on your
Shut
monitor.
up.
I'm plugging.
Doesn't move. Shit. This is the worst part. I hate it. I hated it because I hated it the last time I did it. It took so much time and effort, and now I hate it as well. That's why I was so scared. I didn't want to change the CPU cooler, but I have to. I cannot leave it like that. Nice. Okay, I need to calm down. Let's try again. What? Okay, now I got it. Just push it as hard as I can. Oh my god, it was too tight. Isn't that stressful for you as well? I think it's even stressful to watch. Go, please. Go inside. Did it go? Oh my god, it went in there. Let's try this guy. Why do I need to push that hard? I'm scared that I can break it. It doesn't fit. Shit. Okay, I think it worked. Okay, time for you, the last guy. Why? It's gonna be so stressful. Just can't. Huh. You know, I just noticed the nice thing about it. Like they made these rows, I guess, in purpose so that you can screw it more easily. Okay. Well, guys, I'm doing it. Finishing touches. Oh, I think that's all. Let's move to the other guy. Wait, what? What the hell? Why cannot you move? Well, that's so much to go, and this side as well. Okay, I'll open it a little bit more. This one as well. And I'll tighten up this guy first, because it needs more force to be applied. Hope my CPU is doing fine. You can see the thermal paste everywhere. Again, it's everywhere. But it wasn't too much. No, of course it wasn't from this side, not that much. Maybe because it was tilted to the one side when I was installing it. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, this side is also fine, I guess. And here I can't really see. Oh, we're almost done. not enough. Why? Doesn't let me. Breaking my screwdriver. Brand new screwdriver. It's almost broken. Okay, I need to check again.
Mine into the CPU. Plug in the fan so everything works. Locate the fan connector plug
Not yet.
and plug it into an available. Just keep alternating each corner. Once you're done tightening everything up, put the fan back.
How tight should it be? Should I make it more tight? Is it tight enough? Usually when no way! This side is not tight enough again. Again I need to undo what I've done. Okay, the most stressful part is behind me, for sure. Just so hard to understand how much pressure should I put. Really. Okay, I'll release you a little bit more. Just a little bit. Okay, let's go. Well, it's impossible. Impossible. Yeah. Okay, when I'm doing it like the other guy that is below it, it is spinning. So I think it's enough because like I'm overdoing same shit here. This guy can be tightened up a little bit more. You can see it. Why is it so annoying? I'm filming this for 10 minutes. I'll need to cut some parts. See you after I'm done. Cannot believe it. I think I broke it. It's impossible, but I did it. I don't understand. Like, there was so much space to screw it in, and this one guy, it is broken. Like, I was screwing it in, and then it just went up, and I see that the part of it is inside. I don't know what to do. Well, yeah, I broke it. I don't know how. Everything went so well. I was just untightening and tightening everything so that I could tighten this up better. And in the end, like, I couldn't. I don't know what to do. I started to untighten this and this again, and I was thinking about removing it. Maybe I'll take pictures and contact Cooler Master so they might, maybe. I don't know how it works. I'll try to get this part and then change it. I don't know how to do it, but maybe it will work. I'll try to install it with only 3 screws. I don't know how it will work or how it will work, but let's try maybe. I don't know. I'm so frustrated. Just some rainbow for you. But it doesn't make my life easier at this moment. Okay, I'm done building it and it's already very late. I'm gonna try to turn it on now and check if it works or not. I hope everything is gonna be fine. Also, I'll contact Cooler Master and ask for the component that I broke, and also I'll need to ask also for a place, like it's not like for a screw in which I screw this in. So yeah, let's turn it on now and check if it works or not. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn it on. It doesn't work. Ah, of course, I forgot to connect it to the power. Second try, I connected it to the power. It doesn't work. I did something wrong. Okay, I forgot to turn it on here. I'm just too nervous. Works. And the fan works. Well, it works. Like, let's see the temperatures. You can have a look at the temperature that I'm having now. So it's 33 degrees in this application. But when I switch to another application, it shows a little bit different information. Like last time in the beginning, here it showed 56 degrees. And then it dropped to like a similar number, but I don't know why. I have no clue. And somehow I need to change from this eco mode to see how it works in different mode. But yeah guys, I think that was it. I'm gonna test a little bit the temperatures and then I'm gonna just close the case from each side and I'll write to the cooler master and hopefully I'll get my components. I don't know like how much do I have to pay for it. I hope I don't have to buy a brand new cooler because it's gonna be like too much. And yeah, sorry that I didn't show you like how I completed the build because I wasn't in the mood to film it, but yeah, anyway, this video turned out to be not like I wanted, but this is life. I can make mistakes and I hope to fix it soon because I cannot really work and without thinking about the problem that I have. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and see you in the next one. You know, the next one is gonna be about me reinstalling the CPU cooler again. So this is very expectable. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up and comment this video. And if you haven't seen the first part, go ahead and check it out. And I'll see you next time.